To start, you're going to take your tail, or the end that's not attached to the skein or the ball of yarn, and you're going to use whichever is your non-dominant hand. So for me, I write with my right, so I'm going to use my left hand, and I take my pointer and I point it to the right. I take my tail of yarn and I wrap it around my finger once. Okay, so away from me, under, up and over, and down, one time. Now I do it the same way. Notice I'm not tight, I'm not overly loose, it's just a nice tension. Okay, so we'll do it again. Non-dominant hand points to the dominant hand. Wrap it once, wrap it twice. The tail hangs, and then we take our middle finger and our thumb and we pinch it. We now take the back loop, so the loop closest to your knuckle, and we're going to pull it forward so that it's over the front loop. Okay, so the back loop is now the front loop. So now what has become our back loop, we pull that over and actually goes all the way over our finger. So not just the loop, but all the way over our finger. And if you very carefully slide it off, you'll see that's a slip knot. If you'd like to adjust it, put your hook in and you can tug your tails just a little bit. So it's like a comfortable little scarf for your hook. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. That's about where you want it, so it can move around comfortably. Let's do it again. For me, I'm right-handed, so my left finger points to my right. I wrap my tail once, I wrap it twice, and I pinch. The back loop goes over the front loop. The back loop goes over the front loop and my tip of my finger all the way over. There's your slip knot. You can tug it here, or you can put your hook in like so. Okay? If that at all was confusing, stop, pause, replay, rewind, keep practicing. You want it to get to the point where it is second nature. It just, it's not too much thought. You can just do it quickly. So practice until it gets to that point. Again, there are many ways to do this. There's a lot of videos online you can watch. I personally learned to do mine this way. So it's completely up to you how you'd like to do it. Okay, that's how I do mine. But again, what I have most success with in class is what I showed you. Point, wrap once, wrap twice, pinch, over, over, and there's your slip knot.